Hi, I'm Jeff Pospisil from the 10-Minute Treasurer, and this is just a quick update on the direction that this channel is going to be taking for the next 3 months. If you've been following along with this channel, normally I hope I'm very practical. I mean, I want to give advice that you could apply right away. So usually financial or stewardship or legal or tax or whatever. But the last couple of posts, they've been more on the denominational issues within the United Methodist Church. And I know that's not as practical for a lot of you that follow along, but it's something that we're going through. We're going through a split in the denomination, and I've been deciding how much do I devote my time and your time to this issue. So what I've decided to do is I decided I would ping pong back and forth between two different subjects. So one week I'll do the United Methodist denomination, and then the next week I'll do something practical. And if I have more denominational type of things that I need to put out, I'll probably put them out on Tuesdays, just like this video is going out. So hopefully it's a little disruptive for those of you that look forward to receiving something on Friday. So the practical one that I'm going to be focusing on, and I think it's 7 weeks, it's on setting up a church foundation. And we're mainly going to look at the governing documents. I think this will be an excellent series if you're interested in starting a church foundation or maybe even fine-tuning your own existing church foundation. I think it'll be beneficial for both. And then, like I said, every other week I'm also going to be addressing denominational issues, primarily focusing on what's happening in the Dakotas, but some of that might be transferable to other conferences, especially as we're all in the United Methodist world trying to navigate through this separation. So hopefully this helps you know where I'm going. I want to respect your time and your energies, and just let you know I'm not going to just focus on denominational issues, but I also don't want to neglect them either. So, all right, till next time, God bless you.